Hi there! I'm going to show you how to create your own custom Pimsleur-style language lessons using this Flashcards to Audio tool. You can start at the flashcards-to-audio.com homepage, and everything that we cover here is in this Practice Like Pimsleur doc. This just goes over a bit of the Pimsleur method, the Flashcards to Audio tool, and then offers some instructions on how to do this. We'll take this example prompt and we'll use it in this video. We can actually start there, but you'll take this prompt and you'll pass it into ChatGPT or Claude. And I like to get back basically what we're going to learn in this lesson so that I can keep a running tab of what we've already covered so that I can generate new content each time. And then you'll get this lesson dialogue, which you'll want to have structured text that follows this specific format, or it'll be a series of lines, and each line has the English cue, try to say hello, and then the French response, bonjour, and then whether this is, or what template this uses, and we'll go over that. But in this case, I use a quiz and a teach like Pimsleur. And so we'll copy this output for later, and we'll go back to flashcards-to-audio.com, go to the home page, go to Get Started, which will take you to the main tool. And this page shows we can import that structured text and we can change the settings. And so we need to set up those templates that I talked about, the Quiz Me and the Teach Me. So we'll click Settings. You start with a default Quiz Me setting, which basically speaks the question text, pauses for you to think about the answer, speaks the answer, and then pauses again for you to practice, kind of like Pimsleur. We'll need to add a template for teaching. And for teaching, we'll want to speak the question and then remove this time, this pause time, so that it immediately speaks the answer after the question. And then let's change the speed of this to speak the answer a bit slower. And then we'll want to pause some time to speak the answer. We'll speak the answer again a little faster, just at normal speed. And then let's give us some time to speak the answer or think of the answer again. So now you have our Quiz Me and our Teach Me templates. We'll click Done. We have our structured text copied from before, so I'll paste it into the import form. And we'll select that we want questions, answers, and templates parsed. We use this vertical bar between these just because some of our text contains commas and quotation marks, so this one feels a little more consistent. And we can see that this parses everything correctly, so we'll import these. So we see we have correctly tried to say hello, quizzed, and then some teach phrases as well. Now we need to set up voices, so we can select all of our cards. And for the questions, let's choose this female US English speaker. And for answers, let's choose a French guy. And I have signed in. You'll have to sign in if you are not already signed in. And you can create an account with Google or your email. And then if you'll start with 10 cents in credits, but if you need more, you can buy credits here in quantities of $1, $5, or $10. You can see that this does cost to convert these flashcards to audio. This just covers the text-to-speech API that we use. And so, yeah, flashcards are input, so we can convert this all to audio. We'll see the cost, our balance before and after, and then we can click this Convert to Audio button. When that's complete and your flashcards have converted to audio, you can share them, you can download them, or you can just play the audio here.
Try to say hello.
Bonjour.
How are you?
Ça va?